In this video, I will share with you how to log in IMB Bank step by step. So if you want to log in online, follow me in this video guide. First, go to Google, search for IMB Bank. This is the keyword, just one keyword. Click the first result. You will see this page. This is bank page. On this section, click on login directly, as you can see here. After click on login, you will see this page. Just wait a few moments. You see member numbers and password. Write your member number and then write your password. After that, click sign in. If you want to log in with your app, just download this on Google Play, this app or App Store. After download this app, you can log in the same thing, your member numbers and password. So friends, this is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video. If you want to reset your password, just click reset your password. If you forget your password and complete this is all step to get your password again.